Hello, moneymakers. A strange new format is spreading across every major platform, pulling in millions of views. It exploded so fast that even brand new creators are reaching monetization in weeks, not years. One TikTok account crossed 350,000 followers, while almost every upload went viral. The algorithm is pushing every video right from the beginning. These videos win because they are not empty AI clips people swipe away from. Every scene pulls into the next, while the visuals keep people watching longer. Higher watch time tells the algorithm to keep recommending them to more people. That's exactly why I'll break down the entire process behind these viral fruit videos, even if you've never made one before. I've tested, refined, and organized every step into a repeatable system, and today, you're getting it free. Follow this workflow, and you'll know how to make videos built to perform across platforms while growing steady results over time. We'll use a single AI tool called Media.io by Wondershare. Now you know where we're headed, so just grab a coffee and let's dive into the process. Idea and script. In this AI fruit story, Reels or Shorts tutorial, we're going to create funny 1-minute stories. The story can be about anything, but that's also the challenge. When you can make anything, it's hard to know which ideas are actually good or likely to work. For this, just open Media.io. Media.io is an all-in-one platform. So for ideation, scripting, and visual generation, you don't need to go anywhere else. Everything we'll do right here. First of all, the best part is that you don't even need to think about prompts. Media.io handles everything by asking you a few questions. Based on your answers, it understands exactly what you want. That's because Media.io is built with content creators in mind. You don't need to train it with complicated prompts because it's already designed to understand your needs. That's what makes content creation much easier here. Now let's start. The moment you open the AI story page on Media.io, you'll see a prompt field. You'll also notice a clear step-by-step process. First, it creates the script, then it generates the outline. After that, it creates the characters, followed by the storyboard. Finally, it automatically generates the finished video. So, in just a few clicks, you can go from an idea to a complete video. For idea generation, you don't need any other prompt or tool. Just scroll down on the same page, and you'll see several example templates that you can use. Every sample has a Try It button. When you click Try It, that sample's prompt is automatically pasted into the prompt field. Then you can edit it slightly based on the atmosphere, characters, or any other details you want. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, the prompt has automatically appeared in the prompt field. Now, as you can see, I already have a prompt. I started with one of the sample prompts and turned it into a fruit-headed character prompt. I just made a few tweaks to match the incident I'll be showing in the reel, and I changed all the characters into fruit-headed characters. So that's how, starting from a ready-made sample prompt, I made a few small changes, and my prompt was ready. There's also an Optimize button, which helps improve your prompt even further. For example, if I click the Optimize button, my simple tweaked prompt is automatically turned into a much more detailed and professional quality prompt. All I had to do was click one button. Now that our prompt is ready, let's adjust the settings. Set the resolution to the highest available, which is 720p TAW here. Since we're making a short for Instagram or TikTok, let's choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. I'll make this reel 30 seconds long, although you can also choose 60 seconds if you want. Let's keep the sound on. Since this story features fruit-headed characters, I think an animated style will work better. So instead of realistic, I'll select anime. For the video model, I'll use Seedance 2.0 Mini. All the Seedance 2.0 models work well, but the Mini version uses fewer credits, making it a more cost-effective option. Now that everything is set, click the Generate Script button. This step is free. Once you do that, Media.io will first generate an outline for you to review. You'll see the title, theme, background, plot, and everything else. If you don't like something, you can edit it manually, but most of the time you won't need to. In my case, everything looks good. Now click Generate. This step is also free. It will generate the cast and characters for your story. Here, you can see how many characters your story has and what each of them looks like. Visuals generation. Now your characters are ready. Check whether they look exactly the way you want. If everything looks good, click Generate. Again, this step is free. This time, media.io will create the final storyboard. This is the last step before the video is generated. Once the storyboard is ready, you'll be able to see all the scenes that will be created. You can think of it as a rough draft. If you don't like any part of it, you can click Regenerate and generate that section again. But most of the time, that won't be necessary because media.io understands what you want and generates it accordingly. In my case, I don't need to regenerate anything. Now that the storyboard looks great, I'll move on to the final video generation. This is the only step that uses credits. It isn't free. So I'll click Generate, and media.io will start creating the video. The final video will include the background music, characters, dialogue, if any, visuals, and everything else. That means I don't have to export it and edit it in another software. I don't need to do anything else. It will be a publish-ready video that I simply need to download and upload to platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Video generation may take a few moments, so let's wait for it to finish. Within a minute or two, your video will be ready. And as I said, it is completely publish-ready. If you want to remove any object from the video, you can use the object remover. You can also improve the video quality using the video enhancer. We're not using those features in this example, but they're available if you need them. Otherwise, if you're happy with the video, simply click download and your video will be saved. The next step is to publish it on the platform of your choice. That's it. That's how easy it is to come up with an idea, write a script, and create a complete video without using any separate editing software. All it takes is just a few clicks, followed by a couple of minutes of waiting for the final video to be generated. That's how effortless, fast, and easy media.io makes the entire process of creating publish-ready videos.
I am the only heir to the entire fruit empire! Strawberry gets nothing. Leave this family at once.
I don't want the money. I just want my father back!
My death was only a test, and you have failed it completely.
Father, please forgive me!
No. She chose her father, while you chose your fortune. Strawberry is the new heir.
It should have been mine!
But maybe you're already thinking, this is a lot, and you don't have the time to do it. And honestly, I've got something for you. My team runs a done-for-you program where we take the wheel. Niche research, channel setup, scripts, videos, thumbnails, the whole package. We're already running this for 10 to 20 channels right now, and the results speak for themselves. So, if you're curious whether it could work for your situation, there's a link in the description to book a free call with us. No sales pitch, no weird pressure, no overpromising. Just a real conversation to figure out if we're a good fit. That is the complete workflow. Just one simple AI tool that helps you create a finished video with a few clicks only. For this, you need no professional editing experience, no costly tools or juggling between multiple software. Just a proven process that works when you follow it. Still, knowing the process changes nothing if you never use it. The opportunity is still wide open today, but it is shrinking every single month. More creators join YouTube every day, making attention harder to earn than it was yesterday. Now ask yourself, where will you be if you put this off for another year? Where could you be if you started today and stayed consistent for the next 30 days? If anything was unclear, ask in the comments. I'll answer as many questions as I can. Or if you think you need to watch some more niches, subscribe to this channel, as I am going to bring you some more. And try this process out in the Media.io today. If you need the link, you will get it in the description. Just open it, follow the roadmap, and turn your ideas into great videos.